Hey girlfriends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to share how I made over my daughter's bedroom, so make sure you stay tuned for the big reveal at the end of this video. So let's start at the very beginning. I wanted to share what this room looked like prior to doing anything to it. This is the original, yes y'all heard me, the original bold wall color prior to moving in, and what we are working with until I had some type of idea to what we were going to do to transform this space. If you are new here, hey girlfriend, my name is Sherelle, and this is my daughter's room. Her name is Alicia, by the way. She is 11, and next year she'll be a middle schooler. I'm a wife to Lyle and a mom to 2 children. On my channel, you will find everything from cleaning, decorate with me, lifestyle content just made for the everyday woman. My favorite videos to film are actually room makeovers like this, so I really do hope that you guys enjoy it. And I will come running, yeah, every day. I think we all can agree that the first thing I need to do was to prepare these walls for a facelift, because y'all see this color? It's so unnecessary. So the color that I chose was Repose Gray from Sherwin-Williams, and y'all, this is my absolute favorite color from Sherwin-Williams besides Chantilly Lace. It's such a soft neutral color, and it goes beautiful with a bold accent color. When I'm making over a kid's room, one of the things that I love to do is to collaborate with my child or any child, and that is because it's their space and I want them to have a sense of pride, and I allow them the opportunity to be actively involved besides the decorating and things of that nature. And so one of the things that I allowed my daughter to do was to choose her accent color, and the color that she chose was navel from Sherwin-Williams. And now if you know my daughter, you know that blue is her favorite color. Speaking of favorites, one of the things that we did, which was such a huge surprise and gift for our daughter, was that we got one of her favorite worship leaders to join and be part of the process. Y'all, the smile on her face when she saw McCoy's made this room transformation even more special. So McCoy's girlfriend, thank you so much for being such a gift. Now you know I had to bring some cleaning motivation from my girlfriends, right? I see you, queens. Speaking of sight, that is snow you see outside my window. Is it snowing currently in the month of June where I live? No, but it was when I filmed this video late March. Thankfully, in the summer months in DC, we get really good summers, which I am not complaining, because we lived in Guam, we also lived in Florida, and we would visit my family down in Savannah, Georgia, and that is a different type of summer where you do get hot and sticky. But comment below letting me know what is summer like in your area. So before I start putting furniture together and decorating, one of the things that I wanted to do was to give my daughter's room a good deep clean, and so that's just what I'm doing. I've already cleaned her windows, and I'm just gonna move this furniture so I can give her carpets a really good deep clean.
Tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time.
So I wanted to create a workspace for Alicia. She's always designing, drawing, painting, doing something with a piece of paper. So I wanted to be able to give her that space to do that. So I went to IKEA and I picked up this table for $10, and I only purchased 2 of the legs, which was $5 each. And the reason why I only purchased 2 of the legs, because I wanted to give it a floating desk type-ish kind of feel, which is what I did in my son's room as well. This is one of the reasons why I love to shop at IKEA. Not only is it budget friendly, but it gives you the opportunity to modify any product that you see to get the desired look that you're wanting to achieve without breaking the bank. Now, if you're wanting to recreate this look, the only thing that I would do differently is add drywall brackets before mounting this to the wall.
The grave.
So when I went to Michael's and I saw this crate, I knew I wanted to stain it, and I did. Honestly, I cannot remember the stain that I used. However, my original purpose for this crate did not work out well. So plan A became plan B, and I picked up some hairpin legs, and these are 6-inch that I purchased at Amazon. So anything that I mentioned, I will be sure to link in my description box below. But adding these hairpin legs work perfectly to act as a nightstand for my daughter. Plus, it gives her storage to add any of her books, toys, or any other miscellaneous items.
Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me.
Alright, when your child is a bookworm, you know you have to create space for books. I wanted to add some functional decor by mounting these picture ledges. Children's books have such vibrant colors on their color, and I thought using it as art would invite you to pick up a book and read. In the old house, I used palette scraps as bookshelves, and this is a little bit of an upgrade by using picture ledges that came from Amazon, and these came in a pack of 2. I wish I would have purchased a longer length so that all of her books can fit on the wall, but we made space in her dresser that we weren't able to fit on the shelf. So it took me a while to decide how I wanted to style these books, which you guys will see the final look at the reveal, which is coming up very soon. But sometimes when you are decorating, you have to be patient and trust the vision. I will be sure to go over all the details at the reveal. Speaking of reveal, are you ready? Are you ready for this kids' room transformation? I am so excited to show you guys the reveal, and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. Anywho, without further ado, let's jump into the reveal of my daughter's bedroom. Did I mention how happy I am with how this room turned out? I feel like this was quite the transformation, so I'm going to walk you guys through the room and share where I got everything just in case you're interested. So starting up, I got this decorative memo board from Marshall's, and then her tier rolling cart. I actually found this for $19.99 at Target. The magazine holder I got from IKEA, and all the glass containers holding her pencils or art supplies I got from Dollar Tree. As I mentioned before, the ledges I picked up at Amazon. The picture frames I picked up from Dollar Tree or Walgreens. The bedside lamp is from TJ Maxx, and most of her decor was either thrifted or repurposed. These curtains here are actually flat sheets that I just clipped onto the curtain rod. Her dresser and her bed we had for quite a few years. Her bed was purchased at IKEA, and her dresser was purchased from Bob's Furniture. And before I forget, those 2 picture frames that are empty are held for her to put her personal art in. And this print was actually found on a blog website for free. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will be sharing our master bedroom next. I hope that you have the most amazing day, and thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe below if you have not already, so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you on the next one. And until next time, girlfriend, stay beautiful. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Wow! You did very good, Mommy. Wow.